I'm fine. Getting through.
We're going to Fraser.
I can't believe it.
A dingo has been euthanised and another is being closely watched after a string of recent attacks on Kgari.
You don't know where they are?
The department since euthanised the animal over safety concerns. Rangers say tourists are continuing to feed the dingoes, encouraging further interactions.
Wow, you're doing pretty good for hospital yesterday. I hope you see a dingo like straight away.
I'm not sure I like that.
The flavours are a little bit different from the old.
That's disgusting.
Mac, do you want some of mine?
No. I'm really excited, but I'm really nervous just because of my health.
Oh my God!
How are you going?
No. I'm done. Here we go.
We made it on the barge. Let's go, Fraser.
Well, the weather wasn't exactly what we were expecting, but we still made the most of it. We were joined by Alex, Luke, Chelsea and Max, all the way down from Victoria, and we were still having an absolutely cracking time. Now, let's head to Eurong to get a pie and a coffee.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the move. We sat at the beach while we waited for everyone else. And Crystal saw her first wild dingo.
I did. Yeah. I'm excited to see them. A bit nervous. I don't really know what to expect. Coconut.
So you got your danger sign.
Danger. Aggressive dingo behaviour towards people has occurred in this area.
And then here you go. This is it. This is the dingo gate. Electric wire and a grate.
They don't really hide it, do they?
After a quick stop at Eurong, we're off to Ngkala Creek campsite. But on the way, we did a bit of sightseeing to make sure that we ticked a couple of boxes on Kgari. We made it to Ngkala Creek, the best side of Kgari, the west side.
Guys, this is our first home, and this is the first night. How do you feel?
Oh, Sandy!
Stay here. What the fuck are they doing?
Idiots. With a stick too.
If one of them gets attacked, that's gonna be funny.
She's standing right in front, so I can't actually Oh, I got that.
Did you catch them making it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a wider.
It's fucking. See, that's not good. Like, that is. Like, probably I've got it.
Nah, her kid gets bit or would it be funny to see?
I don't think it's people hate dingo, I just think people aren't educated.
Yeah,
That's the answer.
that's the answer.
Education is the answer. Really goes and hones in the point of why people get bitten.
Yeah, it was very stupid, and we called the rangers and explained it all to them, and then yeah, we just pretty much sent them the footage, and they're going to come out today and have a look. But
So after a beautiful 4 a.m. wake up, we're heading over to the Orchid Beach Bar to beat the high tide and get a bit of a rest before we head to the Sandy Cape.
So we're on Kgari Road, which is Dingo Road in the traditional language, and we're passing through the rainforest section. You can go a little bit faster. You can go a little bit faster. Get it, girl. We're about to land back on the main side of
we're so close.
Kgari. We're about 100 meters. Oh, here we go. Wow.
Due to the king tides, the water level on the east side was a lot higher than we expected, and we had to make a quick call whether or not we could continue the drive up to Orchid Beach or if we had to wait the tides out.
How you feeling, Jack?
I've never been so. My neck is sore from how tired I've been. Oh, come on, come on, come on, girl.
Holy shit, this is like insane.
That wasn't stressful at all. That's like
That
breaking.
was the craziest thing ever.
It's breaking every four-wheel drive rule I've ever known. Oh, there it is! Yes!
It's like a big wooden ramp against the wire, against the fencing, so I guess you can get out if it's stuck in. Can't jump over the fence, which is pretty good.
Yeah, it's open.
Yeah, they're open. Get us a beer. Get us ready. Oh! We stopped.
Holy shit.
That was a lot. This is our favourite.
Sunburn rehydration
Sunburnt rehydration
with a meat
a
lover's
pie and a sausage roll. There's nothing better. I need to pee so bad. Always stay with your children. Stay close. Don't run away. We reckon this is from a dingo, probably coming in, scooping it out and eating all of the little hatchlings. We're going to guess they're turtles. There's a little crab in there, you can see. But yeah, probably coming in, smelling eggs because they do have that great sense of smell. And then eating all of those eggs, which is what you can see, all of the eggs broken up, or they probably made it into the sea. Which is a bit sad, but also circle of love. Pretty cool to see.
No dingo sticks.
No dingo sticks, just...
Gotta pick up one on the way.
Honestly, if you have zero ideas about the rules here, you'd be stupid. There's signs everywhere. Yeah. Thank you very much. Is that all you gotta do?
As we sat and watched this dingo interact with the fisherman, it gave us time to think about how dingoes are perceived and the talk around dingo protection. The beauty and significance of dingoes extend far beyond their physical form. With its wild nature and interesting behaviours, the dingo represents both a symbol of the Australian landscapes and an important predator in its ecosystem. Embedded in the cultural fabric of Kgari, the Kgari are revered as guardians of the Indigenous peoples. Their presence echoes through ancient stories, a testament to their enduring spirit and significance. Dingoes continue to capture our imagination and spark curiosity as we strive to protect and conserve these remarkable animals. It is essential to deepen our understanding of their ecological importance and their place in the natural world. Yet this idyllic existence faces threat: habitat encroachment, misguided persecution, and the misrepresentations. By imparting knowledge and instilling a deep appreciation for these creatures, we empower individuals to become advocates for their protection. Through education, we cultivate a culture of respect and understanding, nurturing a future where dingoes and humans coexist happily on the shores of Kgari. Our actions hold the key to their survival. By reporting inappropriate interactions and promoting responsible care, we can protect the future of these beloved creatures. Let's not forget that the destiny of the Kgari lies in our hands. It's up to us to choose a legacy of coexistence and conservation, ensuring that these apex predators continue to grace the landscapes of Kgari for generations to come.
I really need to pee. Went all the way up to Sandy Cape and campsites are completely eroded away. So
Alright, what are we thinking?
there's nothing.
I'm thinking we just get on the other side and Ngkala rocks, and then we can talk about campsites. But Maxie was saying like Zone 8 or anything else.
Anything.
Yeah, I reckon that's a good call.
But yeah, even like all of these campsites here are crazy.
But there's dingoes everywhere.
There are a lot of dingoes.
Male dingoes are on the prowl. However, they are so timid. They don't want to come near you.
Which is a good thing.
It's a great thing. It is a very good thing.
Yeah.
And the only time they ever come up to you is if they think there's food.
Yeah, well the only time we've seen them go up to anyone is when that guy was fishing. And a few would be curious for the cars, but other than that, most have retracted away.
I don't know, people are f***wits.
Yeah. Nah, it's interesting to see. Early start tomorrow.
Dingo.
Where?
Is that a dingo or a bird? That's a bird.
Big bird. 2 birds.
White belly.
There is a dingo though.
Oh, dingy!
There is a dingo up on the mountain.
look at them. Look, see, they just own this part
They
of the
do own
island.
this part, and he's just keeping his eye out.
You are
Nice
a
big
big,
male.
you are a big boy.
Very cool. So they are pretty much everywhere. Alright, we'll check in when we're at camp.
In about 3 seconds.
Hopefully.
Easy work in the patch. Easy work.
We just saw the biggest wedgie.
I didn't even know we had wedge-tailed eagles on Kgari.
We ended up making Camp Zone 8 our home for the night, and we were instantly greeted by 3 inquisitive dingoes. These 3 guys quickly taught us some lessons on how to be dingo safe. Firstly, lockable food storage. If they have clips on the side, don't you worry, they can still get into those bad boys. Dingoes are sneaky. If you've got lights, keep them on. They are smarter than they look. Just because they walk away or disappear doesn't mean they are gone. Walk in groups. If you can't, carry a stick or a radio to communicate with your camp. Don't be an idiot. Avoid making foolish decisions that could lead to the extinction of these apex predators. And lastly, stay dingo safe.
So many dingoes last night. Chelsea and Luke had their loaf of bread stolen by a dingo because,
They got into their box.
yeah.
Like proper put his nose in,
Mm-hmm.
lifted it up and stole it within like 2, and they had ripped a hole in your bin bag.
Yeah. So now I need a new bin bag. Boy, how good's the view? Look at that. Damn!
It's pretty sexy.
Damn!
Pretty good.
Child's off.